Step into the fascinating world of chewing gum, where each chew holds a secret and every flavor tells a tale. Picture the mystery wrapped up in those little squares of gum. Some swear by Orbit, others are die-hard Stimorol fans, and a few still reminisce about Dirol. But what's the scoop on the very first gum? Who cooked it up? And for what purpose? Let's hop on the time machine and find out. "5,000 years BC. In the ancient days, our Neolithic pals were already chewing on birch bark tar, leaving behind ancient teeth marks as their signature. Did you know? Neolithic people chewing on birch bark tar wasn't just a casual pastime. Recent research suggests it might have had medicinal properties too, acting as an early form of pain relief and antiseptic. Digging deeper. The use of birch bark tar in ancient societies wasn't limited to chewing. It was also used in tool-making as an adhesive and even for its supposed medicinal properties. 2000 BC. The Greeks were all about that fresh breath game, turning to mastic resin from the mastic tree. Meanwhile, the Mayans had their own gum game going, chewing on the solidified sap of the hevea tree, or maybe even the spruce tree, depending on who you ask. Fun fact, mastic resin wasn't just for fresh breath. It was also believed to have therapeutic properties and was used to treat various ailments, from stomach issues to dental problems. Now fasten your seatbelts, because here comes the wild ride of commercially available gum. 1848 was the year when John B. Curtis unleashed pure spruce gum of Maine upon the world, triggering a gum revolution in the bustling West. Around 1850, a gum concoction involving paraffin wax swooped in, stealing the spotlight from spruce gum. And let me tell you, the shaping process involving a dance on a plate of powdered sugar, that was the icing on the cake, or should I say, the sugar on the gum. The popularity of pure spruce gum of Maine wasn't just a fad. It represented a shift in consumer preferences towards more convenient and accessible chewing options in the rapidly industrializing world. Then, in 1869, enter William F. Semple, the dental dynamo from Mount Vernon, Ohio, patenting the first-ever gum designed to give teeth a scrub and jaws a workout. Unsweetened and crafted from chalk and licorice root. Talk about a recipe for a sparkling smile. Did you know? Licorice root, a key ingredient in Semple's gum, wasn't just for flavoring. It was also believed to have medicinal properties, including soothing stomach issues and promoting oral health. But wait, the flavor fiesta was just getting started. In the 1860s, John Colgan, the whiz pharmacist from Louisville, Kentucky, unveiled his flavor-packed creation, Toffee Tolu. It was the gum that changed the game, mixing tolu flavoring with powdered sugar and leaving taste buds tingling for more. Fun fact, tolu flavoring wasn't just delicious. It was also derived from the balsam tree and was believed to have healing properties in traditional medicine. Now get ready for the plot twist of the century. Modern chewing gum burst onto the scene when chicle, the sap of the sapodilla tree, hitchhiked its way from Mexico. Sure, it didn't quite replace rubber as intended, but in 1871 it got a makeover and hit the shelves as Adams New York chewing gum. And guess what? Blackjack, Chiclets, and Wrigley's Spearmint gum soon followed suit, becoming the talk of the town. Adding depth. The introduction of chicle marked a significant turning point in the gum industry, paving the way for a wide range of new flavors and textures that would captivate consumers for generations to come. In 1893, the gum game leveled up. William Wrigley Jr. unleashed Juicy Fruit and Wrigley's Spearmint, turning into the gum godfather overnight. Fun fact: Wrigley's decision to include a free pack of gum with each can of baking powder was a stroke of marketing genius. helping to popularize gum as a convenient and accessible treat for all. 1928 was the year when bubbles took center stage. Walter Deemer blew everyone away with his game-changing invention, Double Bubble, the world's first successful bubble gum. Did you know? Double Bubble wasn't just a hit with kids. It also revolutionized the gum industry, inspiring countless imitators and establishing bubble gum as a staple in the candy aisle. Fast forward to 1950, and sugarless gum stole the spotlight. It was a game-changer for all the health-conscious folks out there. The introduction of sugarless gum wasn't just about catering to health trends. It also represented a shift towards more functional and practical chewing options in an increasingly health-conscious society. In 1951, the Topps Company sparked a revolution in the world of bubble gum. Sensing the need for a fresh approach, they devised a genius plan to elevate the allure of their bubble gum beyond compare. Gone were the days of mundane giveaways. Instead, Topps decided to pair their bubble gum with something truly special: baseball cards. Imagine the excitement rippling through the streets as kids tore open packs of bubble gum, eagerly anticipating the treasure nestled within. No longer were they greeted with mere sweets. Now, hidden within each wrapper lay a prized possession, a baseball card featuring their favorite players. The combination was a stroke of brilliance, merging the thrill of collecting with the simple joy of chewing bubblegum. Suddenly, every pack became a potential jackpot, a chance to score the elusive card needed to complete a set or showcase the latest rookie sensation. And in 1960, gum went interstellar. Astronauts packed gum in their food kits to keep their pearly whites gleaming even in the depths of space. On July 19, 1994, Susan Montgomery Williams, 1961 to 2008, adhered herself to the Guinness Book of World Records when she blew the largest bubblegum bubble, a whopping 23 inches in diameter. In today's world, the realm of chewing gum is a tantalizing playground of flavors, ranging from the classic allure of vanilla to the unexpected zing of Coke. With hundreds of flavors to choose from, each pack holds the promise of a new taste adventure. But it's not just about flavors anymore. Oh no, chewing gum has evolved into a multifaceted marvel, with a variety of types and purposes. From gums crafted for medicinal use to those that leave a vibrant stain on our pearly whites, there's a gum for every need and desire. And let's talk ingredients. Gone are the days of simple gum bases. Today's gums are crafted from a smorgasbord of fascinating components. Pepsin for digestion, guarana for a jolt of energy, and yes, even nicotine for those seeking a bit of a buzz, all find their way into the modern gum recipe. But the adventure doesn't stop there. With each chew, we embark on a journey of taste, texture, and possibility. Who knows what flavor sensation awaits us with the next stick of gum? It's a world of endless exploration, where every chew holds the promise of a delightful surprise.